Hi, I'm Janvi Soni, Femina Miss India Odisha 2023. It's like a dream come true moment for me. I cannot even express my happiness in words. I'm so happy to be a part of Femina Miss India family. Yes, definitely it's bring me back to that my audition time. And the one thing I'm really missing, they provide us crown and slash, and right now I don't have that. So that is the one biggest thing I'm missing badly. I really like the ethnic wear, and as an Indian, I love to wear Indian dresses. So that is the one thing which I loved in this store. I really like this outfit. It's just like my personality is so comfortable. I feel very graceful, and yes, I'm feeling already like a queen. As a state winner for the first time, I visit Trend store, and the employees are very humble, very polite, and they treated me very nicely. I really had a great time over here. And about the collection, I really like the all collection they have right now. I'm so happy to be here. I'm a trendsetter with trends.